going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm finishing out a bathroom for somebody. It was done, but they had a little mold problem with it. Serve Pro, I think that's it. If not, correct me in the comments. They came out $12 sheetrock. And left it just blank. So all I gotta do is put sheetrock back up. I already started. So I got this piece up right here. Let's top of the tub. I'm gonna put the mold and mildew sheetrock up there. Got this one up. You gotta do that behind the toilet. Got this wall done. I gotta do this around the door. So I'm gonna put some clips of the pictures up of what it looked like before I didn't start recording because me and the customer was talking. So it's going pretty good so far. And I'll get back with y'all. So right here in this clip, this still day one. I got all the sheetrock up, got my hose cut, got everything put together. What I'm gonna do next is mud everything. As you can see, all of my outlet cuts and my water hole cuts, everything fit in good. Got all the screws and everything in. So next one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mud it. Next clip, you can see where I already put mud on the sheetrock. I put the tape up. Put the mud up, first coat of mud. Now I'm just let that dry and come back tomorrow and sand it. So this is day two. I have sanded it. It's still a little damp spots, but I did the best I could. It looks pretty good. The customer was happy. And also around the door, they said they would put the trim up and the molding back around the floor. So now what I'm gonna do is get ready to put the paint up. I put the first coat of paint up, and I also noticed where I had some spots that needed filling in with mud. So I had a little small bucket of joint compound in my truck. I went out there, got that, and put it on the low spots. And I told the customer that I would be back, which was, I was supposed to go back Wednesday, but I ended up getting real busy. She called and asked me, was it best if I just came back Thursday? And I told her that would work. So I went back Thursday morning, sanded it down, and finished everything up. But as you can see, the paint is still a little wet, so it had to dry. But other than that, everyone was happy. Alright guys, so that's the end of another video on Blackburn's Renovation. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bathroom sheetrock. They had a company come in to remove some mold, which she told me it was like a 12 by 12 square that they took out. But they end up basically getting over on her and telling her that all the sheetrock in the bathroom had to come out just so they can get paid. And the husband told me that they paid like $1,000 for them to tear it out. And he said if he had known that they wasn't going to put it back up, he wouldn't have let them do it. But he wasn't at home when they did it. She was, and they talked her into letting them do it. So they got in touch with me to come over, put the sheetrock back up, mud it, sand it, and paint it. So like y'all seen in the video, I did that, and it was like a 2-day job. I got it complete, but I had to come back and fix a spot beside the shower. So I just did that. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.